Topic 1: General characteristics and classification of chordata up to classes. The definition part. Chordates are higher animals which are characterized by the presence of certain features at some stage of their life. They represent a distinct evolutionary branch of coal meat, deuterostromes with well-developed organ systems. This is nothing but the definition of chordata. We'll discuss about different life stages that they will exhibit at least once in their lifetime, which is considered under fundamental characteristics. Notochord. Notochord a flexible rod-like structure extending the length of the body. It provides skeletal support and is later replaced by the vertebral column in vertebrates. Next comes is dorsal hollow nerve cord. Unlike invertebrates, chordates have a single tubular nerve cord located dorsally. Dorsally means above the notochord. Now, pharyngeal gill slits. Openings in the pharyngeal region which may be used for filter feeding in lower form, or it can be used as respiration in higher aquatic vertebrates. Next is post-anal tail, a muscular tail extending beyond the anus, useful for locomotion in aquatic forms. Next is endostyle or thyroid gland. In lower chordates, it secretes mucus for filtered feeding. In higher vertebrates, it is replaced by thyroid gland for metabolism. Let's discuss the general state. Any sort of general traits, not state, excuse me. Triploblastic and bilaterally symmetrical true column, which is nothing but enterocolmate. Segmented body plane in many forms. It may be mitomomes or mitomes in ambiaceous. Sorry if I'm spelling it wrong. Closed circulatory systems, deuterostome development, blastopore becomes anus. So this is nothing but the general state of chordata. Now we will discuss about the classification of phylum chordata up to classes. Now we'll discuss about subphyla of chordata, Urochordata or Tunicata. Sorry for pronunciation, I may do certain errors in this. Excuse me for that. I'll move on to the next part. Chordate features: notochord, nerve cord, and tail. Appears only in larval stages. Adults are sessile and lose most chordate features. Example, you can see Herdmania, Salpa, and this one. We have these three examples under Urochordata. Next we have Cephalochordata. Chordate features persist throughout life. Notochord extends from head to tail. Example is this. Branchiostoma, which is nothing but ampushos. It's not ampushos. Again, an error. Sorry. You can see the spelling right, what exactly it is. I'll move on to the reading portion. Vertebrata, craniata. Notochord replaced by vertebral columns in adults. Brain enclosed in cranium. Complex organ systems present. Divided into two superclasses. Now we'll discuss about the two types of superclasses. Superclass Agnata, jawless vertebrates. Circular suctorial mouth with no jaws, lack paired fins, cartilaginous skeleton. Example class Stomata, which is Petrozone and Myxine. I'll discuss about the superclass Ganostomatata, jawed vertebrates. First is class Pisces, also called as fishes. Aquatic gill-breathing fins for movement includes cartilaginous fishes, which are called as this, and bony fishes, which are called as this. We'll move on to the next portion, class Amphibia. Dual life, aquatic larva and terrestrial adult. Example, Rana and Bufo. Next is class Reptilia, or also known as reptiles. They are terrestrial, they have scaly skin, they are cold-blooded. Example, calotes and testudo. Class Aves, which are also birds. Warm-blooded, they have feathers, they have beak, they are adapted to flight or flight adaptations. Example, Corvus and Columba. Class Mammalia, also known as mammals, of course. Mammary glands, They have hair, they are warm blooded, they live birth in most, they are live birth in most, right? No X. So I think they are called as viviparous, if I'm not wrong. Example Homo sapiens and Felis. We have the next topic, subphylum Urochordata, or also known as Tunicata, or it might be spelled something different. General characteristics, they are marine, they are sedentary, sessile or pelagic animals, commonly known as sea squirts. Body is enclosed in a tough outer tunic, test made of tunicin, a cellulose-like substance. Larval stage is tadpole-like. They are free swimming, and they exhibit all four basic chordate features. They are notochord, dorsal nerve cord, pharyngeal, pharyngeal gill slits, and postanal tail. Adult formats degenerate, notochord, nerve cord, and tail disappears. So you can see the adult form is nothing but degenerate. Exhibit retrogressive morphosis. Advanced larva turns to simple adult. Body has two openings, inhalant, bronchial, and exhalant, atrial, sepals. Filter feeders, it draws water through bronchial siphon, then next is pharynx, next step is gill slits, then atrial cavity, and then atrial siphon. Circulatory system is open, blood flows through a heart that reverses direction periodically. Nervous system is reduced to ganglion and nerves in adults. Hermaphroditic external fertilization development often includes a free swimming larva. Next portion is classification of Urochordata up to subclasses. According to this particular resource, Jordan and Verma and Campbell, we have the class 1 here. They are sessile adults. They are thick tunic solitary or colonial larvae with well developed chordate features. Example Herdmania and Siona. We have class 2 here. Thaliacea, pelagic, transparent forms, free swimming, often colonial adults may retain some larval features. Example is Salpa and Doliolum. We have class 3, Larvacea, or also known as Appendicularia. Retain larval form even in adulthood. Newteni, transparent, pelagic, free swimming. Example this. Ochioplura. I think I've